This simple and powerful drink is great for colds, the flu, or if you're just feeling under the weather. It combines the well-loved ingredients of honey, apple cider vinegar, lemon, and garlic. So why are these ingredients the best? Honey acts as a natural sweetener in this recipe and counteracts the taste of garlic and apple cider vinegar combination. It is also antibacterial, antiviral, and antifungal. But if you are drinking it for a cold, it's really the antiviral part that matters. It can also help quell a pesky cough. Lemon adds fresh flavor while it works as a natural antiviral component in the drink, working in tandem with the honey to flush out the virus that is taking over your cells. The list of apple cider vinegar's health benefits is virtually endless, with some theories having more solid backing than others. The main benefit it has in this drink is soothing a sore throat and relieving congestion. Finally, studies have shown that garlic can help fight colds and the flu. It can reduce your chances of catching an illness and help you recover faster. At the end of the day, garlic is both tasty and super healthy. Crushed garlic's characteristic scent comes from allicin, which is effective against many different kinds of bacteria, viruses, and fungi. So the exact ingredients you're going to need are 10 to 11 peeled and lightly mashed cloves of garlic, 1.5 to 2 cups of water, 1/4 cup of apple cider vinegar, 1 lemon, 4 tablespoons of honey. So to make this cold-fighting drink, you're going to have to simmer the peeled and mashed garlic in 1.5 cups of water for 10 minutes. You can use 2 cups if you prefer a more diluted flavor. Next, strain the liquid and then stir in the apple cider vinegar, the juice of 1 lemon, and at least 4 tablespoons of honey. Drink this natural magic flu potion 2 to 3 times daily as required, and you should start feeling better soon. I hope you've enjoyed this video. If you have, please subscribe, and I'm sure you're going to enjoy this next video on 16 surprising health benefits of ginger water. Thanks for watching, and bye for now.